In this video, I will show you how to delete save sticker in your Snapchat app. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Snapchat app. So by default, it's going to open up into a camera space like this. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to message box right here. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and select a contact. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then simply click on the emoji icon right here to have access to sticker. It's going to take you to all available sticker you have in your Snapchat. For you to delete your sticker, click and hold down on any of the sticker you want to delete, and delete icon is going to pop up. Go ahead and click on delete. Boom. You can delete as many as possible sticker in this section. Go ahead and click and hold down again, delete, and go ahead and click and hold down, delete. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this about how to use your Snapchat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.